Yo, Angel Q, what is up? Red candles. What your buys today? Full port long. No, I don't know. I haven't even looked at the charts really. No, I haven't looked yet. Amit, Bowser, Tickle, Sarp. Is that time again? Let's go, Rudy Scott. Fiber Splice. TJP. Trader Higgs, what's up? What's up? What's going on, guys? Yeah, it's that time. What do you guys think of the new thumbnail? Still working on it a little bit. Hey, Frank. Good to see you too. Hope everyone had a good weekend. So yeah, let's take a look. Let's see what we got going on here. Been rate sideways in the daily range the last few days, last week or so. I mean, 350 point range. Been a little wild. Straight sideways markets, typical summertime. Got my summertime shorts on. How's everyone doing? How was your weekend? So I'm gonna be trading some trade day. Hey, thanks, Dubs. I'm trading this trade day here. Maybe some Buellanox. So last Friday, what did I do? Just sign in here. So last Friday I ended up getting another payout, take profit trader, so another daily payout, which is pretty good. I think it was like 340 bucks. No, it was 400 and something dollars. 400 and like 18, $19. How'd you guys do Friday? Oh, nice fiber splice. Yeah, Friday I'll talk about my trade here. My major trade. This is what got me another daily payout. Also, I made like 3,000 across some Apex accounts. I only need like 500 bucks to pass I got like 7 evals going right now. Basically, put in this outside bar off the rip. Well, not off the rip. At 9:45 on the 5-minute, I ended up going long for a nice play. So I have been watching these outside bars lately, and they're pretty powerful. So yeah, that's what I made on Friday. So take profit trader, 417.50. This one is getting closer to be past the buffer at 2,000, and I just been copy trading them. So like this one I've had for a little while, and it's been over the buffer, and I've been getting daily payouts on. This one is fairly new, and I just been copy trading them together, and then just focusing on the daily payouts. So this one's basically just getting the kind of like the base hits on the daily, for the daily, or on the daily, sorry. Hey Sherry, what's happening? Mystical ORB trader, Gator trader, what's up? Oh, hey, what's up, man? AIC's pine trees getting younger. I know, it does make me look younger. So that's what I did last week on that daily payout account. So pretty good. $4,584 last week. So looking really nice. Hey Newts, what's up? What's going on, buddy? You follow suit AI Newts. I saw that. It was kind of funny. Yours is pretty cool looking. The almost cartoonish, but I like it. Thinking with news with Nvidia and tariff, we probably going open low. Yeah, I don't know. So I haven't really looked at the news much. So I do have another Top Step payout coming tonight, or today. Actually, probably ought to take it. So yeah, nice little day on Friday. Check out the stats. Yeah, a little base hit day, 355 bucks. So I will take out half this and hope for the best. It's not going to leave me with that much drawdown, about 1,100 bucks, but so we'll see. Excuse me. Yeah, definitely some Nvidia news. So this is going to be good for the markets, probably. At least we'll get some volatility, hopefully, out of it. So yeah, we do have some news. Still get it on Bitcoin. Let's get it off that. Hey, Slick Rick, what's up? ChatGPT Newts. ChatGPT. Design did not hear that. Design Knob did not hear me say that. But yeah, ChatGPT. Yeah, for sure, Newts. Yeah, absolutely. I'm thinking. Oh yeah, I already said that. We still haven't filled that 5-minute fair value gap from Friday. 9:45 candle, bounced it a few times. Yeah, that's the one I ended up taking the long off from. So yeah, that's a good target down there for sure. That was a monster. Slick Rick in the house. Joom here. Design. Keegan, what's up? Tomas Sabo. Is this Tom? Is this Mr. Tom, Celebrity Tom? What's up? What's up? Hey, his Royal Trades. What's going on? Alter so many things. I have like 25 variations on my thumbnail now. Yeah. So actually, Newt, actually, I was kind of thinking about it. I actually, my first thumbnail that I had, I ended up using Facebook AI. Not the Celebrity Tom? No. It's Tomas. I just didn't know if you were the other YouTube. The other YouTuber. Tom Sabo. I didn't know if it was Tom Sabo, his alt account or something. Hey Marco, what's up? I know a dude named Matt Sabo. So about 50% wins on, well, almost 60% actually, wins on this Express account, but not bad. We'll take it. 1100 to start the week. Hey Zabak, yeah, the casino is almost open. The casino is almost open. You just got back from Paradise Park Campground and Old Orchard Beach. How was it? I don't think the weather was that great, was it, Bowser? The weather's nice now. Yeah, how was it? Did you have a good time? Is this your first time up in Maine? Oh, cool, Tomas. Cloudy but warm, yeah. Oh, you go every year? Oh, sweet. Have 3 master accounts going, red candles, nice. Hopefully the end of the week get your first payout. Yeah, you can do it. You got this. You got this. Just keep doing what you're doing. You're doing well. Markets are not my priority. Making summer my priority. I hear you're gonna go jump in the pool. I 100% feel you there. I was like, oh. I'm like, is it that time to jump on the stream? It's just, I haven't seen sun in like 3 days, so the sun is out right now. But that's all good. Can't beat it. Hey Bruce Lee, what's going on? I feel like tonight's gonna be volatile. My plan is to wait for the top to find bottom and ride the wave up. Yeah, I don't know. I think we could, with Nvidia is very heavily weighted in the NASDAQ, so I imagine it's gonna shake things up 100%. Zest for a living. Good to see you. Oh, thank you, Beanstalk. Makes me look younger though, Beanstalk, so that's never a bad thing. Hey, Michael, Dylan, Dean, Jack Boom in the house. Hey, George. Jonathan, what's going on? Crypto Kings in the house. The whole gang is showing up. Smash that like button on your way in. Got about 3 minutes before the market opens. Gonna sling around this trade day. What day am I on? Let's see. So trade day, you have to trade it for 7 days. I think I'm on day 4 or 5, and you have to stay under 30% consistency. So, hey, Crip Walk, what's going on? Ishmi. His Royal Trade, just smash that like to let the algos know. That's right. Oh, not this week. I want last week. Hey, Donna. Hey, John. How's it going? Oh, let's see. How many days did I trade? 7, 8, 9, 11. So 4. I have 3 more days to trade on this trade day account. Is it normal for Tradeovate to cheat you? Like I'm in a 2-lot sell, and when you trade it's over, I look back and I don't really have that much problems with Tradeovate, Carl. It's usually pretty good. That used to happen to me a lot on Quantower, believe it or not. This is why I stopped using Quantower. Now everyone's back on the Quantower bandwagon, but when I quit using Quantower, it was for a reason, because I was having major issues, but I mean, they probably got it sorted out by now. Hey, thank you, Red Candles. Look better than my pick. Thanks, buddy. Over 41 now, so getting up there, getting grayer and grayer, and balder and balder. That's why that's why all streamers wear hats. It's going bald. Corey in the house.
The market is open.
Big gap down. Big gap down. $70 points. Hey, Alfred. Hey, Wayne. Sean. Cave Trader. Yep, so it's on that Nvidia news, which we kind of expected. Good call. Whoever it was. I don't know if it was Red Candles or Design. For some reason, when I look at your profile pictures on the chat, they kind of, the white with the red. I get them confused. Nvidia news. Let's see. It said Nvidia CEO Hong, China's military is unlikely to use U.S. AI chips, addressing the biggest worry Washington has cited in placing the increasing restrictions on U.S. tech exports to China. So that would be the news. Plus the 30% tariffs, yeah, on EU and Mexico, yeah. So yeah, big gap down. gonna switch to micros here.
Order filled.
I'm gonna scale in a bit. And let's see. I'm on a short. My thinking is I'm just gonna go with the gap. I've seen it a lot during Asia where, or the Globex, where you have a big gap like that, and it is pretty good probability that we get some continuation, or at least it won't come up and try to fill that gap. But I don't know, we'll see. Just 2 micros. Yo! Death Stars, what's up? Got down in the buy zone? Yeah, that is true.
Order filled.
Yeah, spreads on the NQ are crazy, so MNQ is not as bad. Hey, Indian Burn. What's going on? All right, it's getting that buy up there. Market's trading at 22,845. I got my entry 832. In 3 micros. Yeah, Nvidia would be fun to trade, and I bet tomorrow.
Order working.
Check out what gold's doing. Little gap up in gold. Yeah, I love this hard opens, guaranteed money makers with the micros. Maybe. But yeah, I'm glad there's some action for sure. Yeah, market's down 110 points off the open, about 0.5%. Hey, Eric Lake, what's going on, buddy? Good to see you. Hope you had a good weekend. Hey, Brian. Yeah, possible inside bar too here on the 5-minute. Hey, Andreas, what's happening? Yeah, I had a very good weekend. Thank you. Did not do anything exciting. Oh, Eric, hope your surgery goes well. Good luck with that. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Oh, cool. Appreciate that. Yeah, you too, Eric. Ooh. Hey, no, what's up? Welcome. Good luck, red candles. Long on the fundeds. Yeah, I mean, we could push up and start filling that gap. We could. I'm thinking the opposite. I'm trying to go against it. Go with the gap. But I am taking heat. I have a very wide stop at the moment. I will adjust it if seeing what the market does. Put an inside bar here. But it definitely feels like it's trying to hold up the 840 level. Hey, nice no, made 80 on the opens. Oh, on an XFA, nice, very nice. So this is the break of the inside bar, which I like. This opening gap on Sunday destroys me, so I'm gonna wait till 7. Yeah, they can for sure. People like to try to take longs up into the gap, and it can get kind of choppy. For sure. What's going on, Roman? Something I just trade the open for a few seconds to scalp. Yeah, no, I do the same thing. Use the opening volatility. It does work. It does work. That's essentially what a lot of the ORB traders are trading. Especially during New York Open. Super volatile. There we go. Moving my stop. Sold that open, so you buy instead. You do the opposite. Oh, I see. So you look for the bounce. Could we hit that low? We could. We could just chop this right here. Could just chop the 70-point range for a couple hours. Hopefully not. I think trade day is truly no time limit and static drawdown. Is that possible? Yeah, they have 3 accounts. They have static, they have end of day and intraday. So maybe you got a static one? If not, then just just don't say anything. That's what happened with fast track trading. When their accounts were supposed to be intraday trailing, but they were all static. And no one knew for like 2 weeks. You know, like intraday drawdown? Yeah, it's tough. I don't mind it, but I'm just used to trading it too, so. On Tradeify, yeah. Tradeify, Bulonox, Apex. They all have the intraday trailing. Took 2 day low, but Monday's still there. Taking the long, Thomas. Good luck. Not a bad spot for a long. I mean, we took 50% of this candle here as wick, so could get a little pop. Hey, O'Dane. You were one of the victims that lost their Bulonox accounts with the Project X. Today you got it back. Let's go. Yeah, I don't like it either, Alfred. Yeah. I usually try to get over that buffer as fast as possible with the intradays. Once I get over the 2K or the 2500, I feel so much better. But yeah, I don't like it. Fractal on the bottom, maybe. Low is high. Possibly. It is a massive gap. Boy, we have some room to the downside, though, in the dailies, don't we? Could see us easily going down to like 20. Maybe not right now, but like if market starts to roll, 22,500s, 22,300s, down in here. Probably won't happen. Might not happen tonight, but. So I kind of been thinking like, we are just due for like a 2-3% daily red day. This could be the catalyst. This could be, or we just pop right back up, right back into the daily range, and keep going sideways, right at 23,000. That definitely is a possibility. Fixed bullish, we took major lows at 17. Well, market still wants to go down, seems like. See if we can break this up. There we go. Wow. Sell-offs, yeah, for sure. For sure, Thomas. This morning, only second time Bitcoin hit all-time high while futures market closed. Something weird going on. Yeah, that is a little strange. Usually, if the crypto market's super bullish, and the futures market generally opens up pretty bullish. At least that's what I've been told. I don't really watch crypto much, but yeah, that is something. Look at it like the monthly candle, first 2 weeks, new time high. Last 2 weeks, bottom wick up. Yeah. This is where I tend to overtrade with the micros, because I'm looking at it like maybe we'll take out the lows possibly, and you know, normally when I'm trading minis, you know, you start to see $500, 600, you know, and it's like, all right, I'll take that off. But you know, in this volatility, with this account where I'm actually trying to trade it slower, because you have to trade it for 7 days anyway, I decided to switch to the micros. But hey, Nat Baba. No, so I trade inside bars and harami candles basically, and then sprinkle in some discretion. So initial balance highs and lows, VWAP plays, things like that. But pretty much I'm a scalper. I had some strategy videos too. There's one. And here's the other one. Oh, it's also in the chat. It's also in the well, see if we can stay below the VWAP here. Hopefully we don't just start chopping sideways. I like this down move. I think Tokyo Open at 8 o'clock Eastern is going to be pretty interesting. Guys, 182 people watching. Smash that like button. I appreciate the viewers. Let's go. Nice start to the Sunday. Let's get those likes up over 100. HTF Confluence. What does HTF stand for? Oh, higher time frame. Okay. Thank you. I'm like, what the hell does that mean? Like, trying to think. Well, maybe I held on to this a little too long. We'll see though. Kind of looks like a little bull flag. Looks like we might get a little pop. No, it didn't, Roman. It did not. I mean, it was a pretty good 100 points there. So, and we all know the market always goes up. Think we're going for the gap fill? Yeah, possibly. We can probably get into the gap. I wonder, like, do we fill it? That's probably another story, right? But it is possible. Try and be aggressive on the combine, yeah. Adding to you along, Thomas. Good luck. The old Russie looks like it's about to break up. The old Russell.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, 22,000 back to 22,840s. Just liking this level. We're still in a short. Gonna stop at the high 866.25 and take profit at the low 801.25. If think Top Step is bugging. My combine should have liquidated and it didn't. Oh, nice, Roman. Yeah, sometimes that happens. That happened to me once. I was full port on a combine on Trade-Evate a long time ago. It might not have been a combine. It was an eval though, of some sort, and I was $10,000 down on the eval, and it wouldn't liquidate. It just stayed, and yeah, it was crazy. It never stopped it out. See if we can break that 50 level. First time it's taken us so long. Yeah. Yeah, that's happened to me for sure. When a glitch was in my favor, it's always a good thing. Boy, struggling to break that 50 level. I think it might break it now, though. Get to the top of the bottom of the hour. It's trying. Putting in another inside bar here.
Order cancelled.
I'm gonna flatten out off that inside bar.
Order filled.
Flipping long, tight stop, just a 10-point stop.
Order filled.
See if we can get up in that gap now. This might actually be interesting to check the book map. Let's check the book map. Got nothing large on the book map. And thankfully my account survived $200 drawdown and I'm escaped from touched 22.80 for a while. Hey Koss, what's up? Long 23.75. Hope you had a good weekend. Yes, had a great weekend. Thank you so much. Pretty relaxing. Weather was kind of crappy. I made a pool filter for my dad's pool. The water was way too high in iron, so made one of those bucket pool filters with the cotton or pillow stuffing in it. Got it all cleared up. Made it out of his extra underwear, yeah. Actually, old. At first, I was using old white socks, so you're not wrong, Methodical. Kind of not wrong. What's going on, Methodical? Think we're gonna fill that gap tonight? I don't know. I feel like I want to possibly take some off here at the highs and then leave a few runners on. That's what I like about Project X. You can easily adjust your contract sizes. Yeah, snap cuts, yeah. Props. And, yep. This is trade day. Yeah, this is trade day. This is the pop.
Order filled.
Taking off 2 there.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order filled.
Congratulations, longs.
Order working.
This one's an eval, snap cuts. This one's an eval. A lot of countries are banning regulation. South Africa. Oh, no kidding. Snap cuts, yeah. Stops at break even now. This is this an end of day eval? No, this is intraday trailing. This is an intraday trailing.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Hey Nick, yeah, quite the recovery there. Elite Trader funded. I don't use them snap cuts. I've never actually traded Elite Trader funded. I trade Top Step, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Trade Day, Apex, Buellanox, in Tradeify. Hey Wesley, what's going on? Thank you so much. Yeah, I've gotten payouts from all of them, except trade day. Yeah, I haven't traded trade day since 2023. But yeah, I'm getting a payout with Top Step today. Take Profit Trader today. Buellanox, I got 6 payouts last month with. Yeah. Apex, it's been a hot minute. I haven't been trading them much. Tradeify, I haven't got a payout with them. I haven't been trading them much in probably like, it's been like 2 months, I think. 3 months was my last Tradeify payout. I haven't been trading them that much. I did just get rebuild for a Tradeify eval, so I'll be trading that this week. The trade days, Ishmi, on Buellanox. 10 traded days. Supposedly you can flip for 2 days, but I wouldn't recommend it.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, getting a kind of a rejection there off from 875. It's a bit of a harami, but we'll stay with our long. Yeah, no problem. Do I do account giveaways? Yeah, did one last Thursday. Yeah, I do them. If you, when I get free accounts from Take Profit Trader, because people use my code PINE, I give them away. And then we do random giveaways sometimes too. Or I'll give away my accounts that I get credits for because I spend too much money with Take Profit Trader on my personal. So I get credits, but
Order filled.
well, we are ripping into that gap.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. filled.
Hey, Jonathan, appreciate you so much. Yeah, currently Buellnox is still 91% off. So if you use code PINE, I appreciate that. Still along from 8:30. Nice. Beautiful.
Order filled.
Taking another one off there. We'll leave the one on for a runner.
Order working.
So I see us getting back, possibly testing that 900 level. That would be like almost around 50% of that, the gap, the actual open gap. So I can definitely see us pushing up to that level there before it does funky things. Do we fill the full gap? Don't know. But looking pretty strong.
Order working.
I'm gonna front run it at 94.75. It's crazy, the zone I wanted to hit on Friday, it took it out today, and I was wondering why it was so strong bullish on Friday. It caps down today, yeah. On the Nvidia news. That's why it's always scary, like holding positions over the weekend. You just never know. So yeah, so our first trade, you guys just tuning in, our first trade, I ended up trying going short here. It didn't put in an inside bar. It was actually a very nice scalp. I was looking for a little bit too much. I was looking for the low. Never got it. This would have been a better target. You know, 50% of that wick would have been a great target instead of heading for the low. I never took it, and then I ended up taking it off for a small loss. And then we ended up flipping the switch once you put in this inside bar here, and then I went long. So we got back what we lost, and then some. No, Trade Day Benjamin is a prop firm. They've been around a while. Alfred trades with them. I'm trading with them again. They do daily payouts like Take Profit Trader. But their evaluations, you got to trade for 7 days, which is the draw, is what sucks. But they actually, all this trade is working. Thank you, by the way, Benjamin. Hey, Thanasis. Alfred says the 7-day eval is a grind, but on the other side, trade day pays pretty quick. Yeah. So I haven't gotten a pay. I've never gotten a payout from trade day, so that's gonna be a goal of mine. I said I used to I trade with them. The last time I traded with them was back in 2023. Shows it right here. July 5th, 2023 is the last time I traded with them. But if you guys are interested in trying out trade day, you can use code PINE with a capital P. For some reason I think it's case sensitive. They also have free courses too. This account right here, this intraday static account, cost me $59, so like 60 bucks. So they have like 40% off, no activation fee, but they also have end of day accounts and static accounts, which is pretty cool. So you can choose. Static accounts a little more expensive and you don't get that much drawdown, so I prefer end-of-day accounts, really. That's kind of like what I prefer. But I wanted to give them a shot again, so I just picked up the $60 intraday eval, and that's what I'm trading. Short Thanasis, good luck. Hey Jordan, what's going on? Oh, thanks Benjamin. Appreciate you, man. Yeah, if you got any questions, just go ahead, throw it in the chat. Keeps the stream moving for me when I have lots of questions. Yeah, nice move here. Currently up around 30 points on this trade, which is beautiful. Alfred, the first account I got with trade day was 524. Traded them off and on. Took a year before I got my first payout with them last month. Last month I took $8,000 from 2 accounts with them. Well, nice work, Alfred. So Alfred got $8,000 payouts last month with trade day. So, but yeah, that's awesome. Thank you, Biblical. Worth getting a friend to refer you. Both of you get 50 points towards free resets. Oh, interesting, Tickle. I didn't know that. Did not know that. Actually, my trading buddy has not started with trade day, so it is interesting. Oh, cool, Tickle. Thanks for that. Like, still use the code. Nice. So yeah, we scaled out. We started with five micros, and I scaled out a bit. And yeah, kind of looking to take 50% of that move back, but right now it doesn't seem like it wants to. Our stop is at 850, and if we get if it rolls back over and heads to the VWAP, then obviously our stop will be in jeopardy. But for now, it's pretty bullish on this move. Obviously, the market's down 78 points, 0.34%, but on this particular move, it's pretty bullish. So. Hey, Nayo. Smokey Bear in the house. What's going on? JC Trades. Where you guys been? Hanging out with other streamers? No, it's all good. Yeah, shorts got trapped a bit for sure. I did at first, and then I flipped the switch. What's going on, guys? Hope you guys had a good weekend. Hey Tyler, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Hope you had a good weekend. Hope you didn't do too much partying down in Miami. Hot Miami. Nice, Tyler. Just got back from the beach, got a little scorched. Yeah, it's definitely not hard to do down there. That's for sure. How many days am I at? This will be day 5. His Royal Trades. This will be day 5. Oh, 7 days total. 7 days total. I'm on day 5. So 7 days total on an eval. You have to keep it under 30%. So they really want you to like trade it kind of correctly. It's kind of a bummer, but so far it's going well. Trade at 50% from settlement Friday. Interesting, yeah. Doesn't really want to pop that to the 900s. Put in a Harami inside bar. It did break to the upside, and then it looks like it wants to pull back. So it is getting pretty choppy now here at the 880s. All right, markets, don't go sideways. Markets don't go sideways because I need cash now. I don't know if Cole's listening. Call JT Wentworth. Yeah. Now we're at a chop point, that's for sure. The top of the hour here in just almost 2 minutes. Hey, Red Candles, you still in that long, buddy? Nice play. You still in the long? Or did it come down and get you before it popped back up? Took a little heat, I believe. Got me, I'm down 7 foot. Oh, yeah. 757. Yeah, it was it did push down quite a bit. 20 something points off that inside bar. Let's check. It's actually a nice play. I usually look that first inside bar of the Globex. I usually look for like 10 points and just scalp out, but yeah, 20 points off that inside. But I got a little greedy. Still long 840s, nice. Good luck, JD 54. I'm mad it came. Okay, top of the hour here. Put in an outside bar now. Yeah, it's okay, Red Candles. It's alright, man. Just be patient on the next setup. Be good. I hear you. Took profits don't like hanging too long, but it will close the gap on us later, I bet. It could coach set, but I've seen it. Now I have seen it where you get a large gap like this in Globex. This could mean continuation to. I'm gonna hop out. We could make it run right back to the VWAP here on that outside bar. We'll see though. Or this could be just people buying and it'll pop right back up. But I have seen it a lot where we have a large gap like this. And I'm not talking like, 5 points, 10 points, where you have a very large gap. I've seen this where this will hold for days. So I have seen that. Daily time frame is bullish. Yeah, it is putting in that hammer. Harami. Definitely looking bullish. The gap. The daily gap's up there, 86 points. So I mean, the daily candle does look bullish, but boy, don't this look like a, I don't think I can do a paintbrush on here, can I? Do it on there. Kind of can look like one of these numbers. On the daily. More likely you probably get down into here. But it is summertime season, so who knows? But for tonight, we definitely could push up and fill that gap. Get that perma bear in me right now. Tried to close below the fair value gap. Yeah, we did that 5-minute fair value gap too. This one, the giant one, 945 candle from Friday, or a daily fair value gap. On a daily, yeah. Well, I hope it keeps going down because I'm secretly short SPY on a personal account. Secretly short SPY, which is gonna look good, I think, for the open, hopefully. Oh, you look at the CFD charts? No kidding. Right back to the VWAP off that outside bar. Nice little play there. This is something I've been watching. Thank you for whoever told me to throw that back up there again, or asked me if I ever traded outside bars off that indicator, and I hadn't for years, and then I threw it up again because it's part of that LDT inside outside bar indicator. I ended up throwing up the outside bars. I used to just have them had them checked off, but I have been watching them and they make some really nice plays. Kind of been liking them more than the inside bars lately. But bouncing off the VWAP. FXCM shows more discrepancies in price. I don't even trade the futures charts. Oh, interesting, Tyler. Hey, Thanasis, see you later. Good luck. Good luck, good luck. Alright, so we closed out of that long there after we flipped the switch. I was long in the old take profit trader account as well, but I didn't show it. Outside bars happen often in an ORB strategy, like during Friday's open. Yeah, that's exactly the trade I ended up taking. Well, the 945 candle. Like I said, I was like, when I traded it, I was risking a lot. Like I'm like, well, how the heck am I gonna trade it? Because like, if I place a stop below, I mean that's a massive candle. So I'd had to trade. You know, you're talking 75, almost 80 points, and I was just like, But yeah, definitely gonna keep an eye on it. Maybe on the smaller time frames, like a 2 or 3 minute chart. I don't know. We'll see. But I definitely I've been liking it lately. What happened? Just got out of the pool. Are you in Jay's pool? You in 0 Day Jay's pool? No, it's the market's trying to fill the gap. It ended up pushing back up. Took about almost 50%. Rejected off the 890s. Yeah, you're in the Jay's pool with Darrell. We all have the Speedos on. All right, kind of sitting on our hands. So up 110 on the trade day, up 210 on the Take Profit Pro account. And almost got this pro account over the $2,000 buffer, so a 460 on that one. So I was in that same long, but getting there. Be nice to have 2 accounts that I can take daily payouts on. That'll be sweet. Kind of 2x my daily payouts. Probably gonna start working on another one too, while the 40% is still going on. Take Profit Trader, 40% off, no activation fees. Use code PINE, all caps. Appreciate the support. Get those daily payouts. I got almost around 2,300, 2,400 in daily payouts last week with Take Profit Trader. So once you get over that buffer and you start getting them to roll in, man, it is a game changer. And I don't try to build up the accounts either. I just take the daily payouts. Whatever I get. If I make 70 bucks that day, I take out 70 bucks. But like Alfred is doing, I really should, alright, we're getting a little rug pull here. I really should work on getting another Pro Plus account. And get those because right now it's an 80-20 split. And a 90-10 split sounds much better. How fast are the bank accounts? Within 24 hours. Carter usually. Within 24 hours. Yep. Or you can keep the money in your wallet too with Take Profit Trader and buy new accounts if you choose, or reset accounts or whatever, which is pretty sweet. But yeah, I usually let my account build up a little bit in the wallet, you know, a couple $100, $300-400, $500, and then I withdraw it to the bank account. Hey, Mayor. Yeah, Jinzo, what do you think? I kind of want to, there's something I want to do with it. I'll ask you guys. So I was thinking about putting like my name up here though, like Pine Tree Trader, like somewhere right here. It's kind of what I was thinking. Just for like branding, you know? I don't want like too much on there. I'm not gonna put like whatever, but I was just gonna put like Pine Tree Trader right here. Coop, I don't know when they're gonna end it on the 40% off. I mean, they held that 30% off forever, but they don't tell us like how long it's gonna go. You said Vix was bullish, Bowser? Yeah. Hey, Mayor, you're about to take your first ever trade as a funded trader. Let's go, Mayor. What possibly could happen? So I remember my very first trade on my personal account. I remember that like it was yesterday. I lost $500, just like that. on a personal Trade Evade account. I was like, and I've been hooked ever since. You're short the Russell Indian burn? Nice. And it's working. You DCAing your long? Yeah. It's actually not bad price action to be DCAing, that's for sure. Instead of turtle markets, I should say pine markets, yeah. Flat and short, nice. I actually have the Russell here. I forgot. Yeah, Russell put in the same pattern. Very interesting. He's down a lot, and then DCA and actually made a lot. Yeah. The power of DCA, yeah. If your size small enough, you know, DCAing works really well. Works really well. If you have prop firms trying to ban those kind of strategies, then you know it works. All right, an inside bar here. Interesting. I will take it. Especially if we pop that long side. That might be interesting. Actually, both look interesting to me. Let's see, we got high 60-50.
Order working.
Put it in the bracket.
Order cancelled. Order working.
Problem is that what we've seen for the past few nights is that the market might open and move pretty well for the first hour or so, and then it comes right back to the VWAP and then just kind of chops sideways until Tokyo Open. Pine Tree Trader for he sees the forest through the trees. Olu, just thinking DCA also, yeah. It can work really well. I'm not that much of a DCA trader, but I like to try to get in the habit of adding to winning trades, but sometimes I add to losers. I'll admit it. I'll add to losers even when like I'm not even in a DCH strategy, but it's not a good habit. I mean, Apex, they probably don't like it. No, they're the ones that actually were against it for a while, but then they changed their mind a little bit. I don't really know. Olu, you think we're going to retest? I'm going to go long. Yeah, I'm looking for a long actually right now. If we break this inside bar, I might take the long, but it is struggling. On the flip side, if we end up breaking down below 41-ish, I might take the short. But it definitely doesn't feel strong. Yeah, I got caught with the left hook, Olu. DCA is like the dark side. It feels good at first, but when you regret it. Yeah, you have to be sized appropriately for the size of the account. If you have a 150K account and you're trading micros, like 1 micro at a time, a lot of people are very successful doing that. Absolutely. You know, gold is perking up. Let's take a look at gold. Gold is running. Gold looking very bullish at the moment. Bradley, so we went back and retraced about 50% of the open gap, and then it pulled back. Do I think it could fill the gap? Yeah, I do. But like I said, I've seen it many times where a large size gap like that for a Globex open or a weekly open, like it can hold. It really can hold. It's that old Jim Dalton saying, like, go with all gaps unless filled right away. And we did not fill it yet. So, but if we take out the 861, I'm gonna look for a little scalp long. If we take out, this is interesting. We put in another inside bar. I generally take the first one. If we take out 839, I'll probably look to scalp to the downside, but so I'm kind of a scalper, so I'm kind of hoping we open up with this gap down for personal reasons, because I'm short SPY on my personal account, but do I use the Strat by Rob Smith? Trader Rob? No, I don't. I'm familiar with his gold one and oil one. Hey, Gregory Blake, what's going on? The SPX covered COVID gap at 24,331. The COVID gap. Oh wow, Eric. No kidding. That's funny, Eric. All right, broke the inside bar, the second inside bar. I generally like to take the first one, but this could actually work. Guys, over 200 people watching. Smash that like button. Do we have over 100 likes yet? At least? Oh, we got 91 likes. Let's get it over 100. Let's do it. Appreciate it. Wow, what a bounce. I really like this long if we get triggered in long now. Didn't get triggered yet.
Order filled.
I'm gonna hop
Order
in.
cancelled.
Hopping along here, 857. Stops at 842. Possibly run this mother candle here. We'll see. We get a nice pop up to 870s. I'll probably move my stop to break even, but please do not follow my trades, guys. Still hasn't broke that inside bar yet. I like that bounce off 843, and I was kind of hoping we'd take out that 860, put it in an outside bar. So I do like this little flat top breakout if we actually get it. I might just wait. I might just take this off and wait. I'm gonna take it off.
Order cancelled.
Lost a few bucks on that, like 15 bucks. I'm gonna wait. See if we actually do break.
Order working.
I'm placing an order. I want that confirmation. But it's kind of doing what I was saying before. It's chopping that VWAP right now. So got about 4 minutes before the bottom of the hour and 30 minutes before Tokyo Open, which should be a little wild. I'm thinking. I gotta use the bathroom. I'll be right back. I'm gonna leave this order on. Let me actually adjust my stops here. In case it triggers. Be right back. We back. Never triggered the long, huh? This is looking even better for the long setup. Trading on tilt, what's that? Thought we were gonna break to the downside. Kind of still feels like it. Still just chopping that VWAP. Oh, Trump speaking? Oh yeah, he is. Thank you for that, Keegan. I still kind of like the little flat top breakout here, even though I generally don't take them this late. I do like it. All right, still right here at 850s, right at the VWAP. If you guys are just joining the few trades we took here, we took a short here off this inside bar. Ended up flipping the switch, took a long. Those are the two trades. And I currently have an order sitting up here. You know what I forgot about? The Ninja Trader tournament. Any insight on what Trump's speaking on? I have no idea. Every time he speaks, I feel like NQ about to drop. You feel like it's about to drop, but it just doesn't, though. I don't know. It's weird. So I'm finding it's on over here on the financial juice. I don't know where he's speaking though. There's nothing to click on. So this is the Ninja Trader tournament. We start with $25,000 balance. It's only this week, and you can trade up to 5 minis. And I believe you can hold trades overnight as well. So pretty interesting. I'll trade it. All right, I'm taking this order off now.
Order cancelled.
We have gone sideways. So talking about Powell, oh yeah. Looking for a flush down. Break 821. Yeah. Trump speaking, you never know. I mean, he could send the market 200 points, 300 points. Just like that. To up or down. Tried searching, couldn't find any speech going on. Yeah, I don't know. It's keeps popping up on this news feed though. On the financial juice. So I'm not sure. He's just, I think he might be speaking at a soccer thing in New Jersey. That's kind of funny. He's at a kid's soccer game. He's gonna send the market up 300 points or down 300 points. No, I don't know. Coop. I'm watching the Fox News. He's on a helicopter. Oh, he's on the helicopter now. What is that breakout though? Man. Didn't really get that pop though. I mean, I think the market's gonna wait for the Tokyo Open now. She's done speaking. Just gonna sit on my hands. I'm not feeling it. I think if I feel like I'm just gonna like give back what I made in the sideways action. So unfortunately, market kind of stopped. Is anyone else FIFA World Cup soccer? Oh, was it? Is anyone else in the Ninja Trader tournament? Oh, it was just a free tournament that was on Ninja Trader. I don't know. I think you can still sign up, but it's right here. If you type in arena.ninjatrader, there's a tournament and you can sign up. And it's got real cash prizes. 1,500 bucks. I have nothing to do with it. I'm not affiliated with it or anything like that. But it does have real cash prizes. Terry Trades 100, our friend of the channel, finished 7th on the last tournament and won some money, or made some money. Can we just pump already? Yeah, I don't know. I think it's just kind of waiting for that 8 o'clock open, 8 p.m. Eastern time. You're in it, his Royal Trades? Awesome. Good luck. It's kind of fun in a way, because there is real cash prizes, so, and it's cool to look at the leaderboard. Some people have $14,000 already. Holy cow. Check out the leaderboard here. Your money's on June, John? Yeah. That just started tonight, yeah, Michael. It started at open. Yep, started today. I think you could still sign up, but I'm not sure. How you guys doing tonight? You guys make any trades? You guys up big money? Down big money? Problem with these competitions is that it's just a few yellow gamers that will beat you even if you trade well. Yeah, for sure. That's pretty much what you got to do, is you got to go in with 5 contracts for the most part. I mean, Terry made over $100-something thousand, like 120,000 or something in 5 days. It was crazy. And she was up like all night trading it, she said. She actually lost a lot of sleep during that Ninja Trader tournament. Yeah, you can still sign up. So yeah, guys, you can still sign up. It's free. It's fun. Put the link in the chat. Copy. There's a link in the chat. Be cool to get all our community. If you guys haven't joined the Discord, I got it pinned to the top too. Our Discord, it's free. You know. Just a place to hang out when markets are not open or when I'm not on or whatever. Feeling like a bear flag right there, OG. OG Black Superman. Yeah, kinda. I'm just seeing sideways, really. On the top of the VWAP. We got a new 15-minute candle opening up here in 20 seconds. Jumped in the pool, just grilled some burgers, very summer. How was your weekend? Yeah, very good. I'm about ready to do the same thing. I'm not gonna jump in the pool though. But I am gonna grill some burgers. That's actually on the menu as soon as I get off stream here. But yeah, it was a good weekend. The weather was crap, but it turned out to be pretty nice out today. And we have some pretty hot weather coming next week. 90s for 3-4 days, mid 90s, which is pretty hot for Maine. I know you guys laugh at that down in Florida and Texas and Arizona and places like that, but 90s is hot for Maine. Yeah, that heat wave's coming up here, Design. That heat wave's coming up. See, Red Candles knows. What part of Florida are you from, Red Candles? What is it? Just north, south, central? Jacksonville, yeah. Never been to Jacksonville. I've never been really that far northeast. Basically like Orlando to Lakeland, Clearwater, New Smyrna. Been to those places. Davenport. Deltona. Never been on the West Coast? About to jump in the bath with the ducks. No pool. I live in Kissimmee. Nice, Gregory. Pine goes to the Panama City during the spring break chasing the hotties. I liked Clearwater. It was fun to visit. I never stayed there, but I visited there for a minute. It's a nice beach. Shark bite capital of the U.S., Yo Jim. So that's my grandfather used to swim there every day. I was actually just telling someone that today, actually. New Smyrna Beach, shark bite capital of the U.S. You ever caught a peacock bass? No. No, up here we don't have those. We just have, I don't know, I guess regular bass. Caught plenty of those. But a peacock bass? No. I've never been fishing down in Florida. Oh, I see those peacock bass. Oh, Coach Fred, you have a place down in Sarasota? Yeah, so that's my thing, is like, I'm definitely gonna be snowbirding somewhere this winter. I don't know where. It'll either be it'll be Florida, I'm thinking. Florida, maybe Vegas, maybe California. Don't really know yet, but it's definitely, I am not staying up here all winter long. I'm not. It is not good for my mental health. I mean, there's no place I'd rather be right now than Maine this time of year, but once winter hits hard, no fun. So yeah, we are just chopping that view up. We are just sideways. First hour of the day, nice, some nice movement, and then gone sideways here, waiting for 8 o'clock open. Hey, thank you for the new sub. Trader J, thank you for the new sub. Appreciate it. Smash that like button, guys. I don't know where we're at on the likes. Sorry, the market's gone sideways, so no trades for me in the last 40 minutes or so, 30 minutes. Even gold has gone sideways. What, you can't come back? Red news just hit. Nothing yet on my Bullinox feed, but oh, there it goes. A little Japanese core machinery orders. Oh, okay. Yeah, a little Japanese. So I expect some movement here. Yeah, Beanstalk. Yeah, you should be fine. The DCAing with Bullinox. Yep. Yeah, we're just waiting for that Tokyo Open here in about 9 minutes. You go outside and it feels like you're inside a can of chicken noodle soup. So disgusting. Yeah. Yeah, thinking about going out to California, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. For, at least want to make a trip out there. A friend of mine has a place out there, so be cool. Check it out. I've never been to the West Coast. I've never been to the Pacific. Still bullish red candles. Short an 865 for a quick scalp. Good luck. Looks like you gotten a good 5 points out of it so far. Best thing about Cali is the weather. Yeah, I mean it's crazy. NLT. What's going on, man? I was looking at the weather the other day out there, and it was just, it's gotta be pretty boring as a weatherman or weather person. 75 degrees and sunny every day. Some areas. Get some lobster on Friday? No, Coach Fred. I'm going to get some lobster tomorrow, though. Yep. After I trade in the morning, I have plans to go get lunch to get some lobster. Absolutely. So yeah, I never get a chance to go out this weekend, but I'm definitely going to do it tomorrow. For the person nowadays is easy money. You don't have to be right. No, you don't. What do I think is going to happen at 8 p.m.? I have no clue at this point. I don't know. It'd be interesting if we do fill that gap. It will be interesting. Wake up 5 a.m. to DoorDash. Nice, Sabak. Go to San Diego, best weather. That's what everyone says, Eddie. Yeah. Crazy good weather, huh? What's going on? Oh, cool, Mark. Yeah. Yeah, I will do. I'd like to travel up and down. Do I prefer a hot lobster roll. I prefer just a regular lobster than over a lobster roll, but if I do have a lobster roll, I definitely like hot lobster rolls with butter. I don't like so much the mayonnaise with a lobster. I don't know. I'm just kind of a purist when it comes to that, but same with gold slow climb. Yes, gold went sideways as well. We're sitting right on that VWAP and has not moved. Nasdaq's kind of trying to push up here off the 850s, 860s. I mean. Three minutes still open, yep. To the Tokyo Open. So if you guys haven't liked the stream yet, please like the stream. Thank you for the subs, by the way. Over the weekend, gained some more subs. Getting over there. Well over the 2,000 mark, which is pretty sweet. On our way to 3,000 subs. And yeah, so if you guys would like to support my channel, I mean, you can use code PINE, Bulenox, Apex, My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader. I'm gonna get some more daily payouts this week, I hope. I got this one almost over the buffer here, so I need it just another $80, $90 to get it over. And for another daily payout. So if you guys are new to Take Profit Trader, once you're in the pro account, you get it over 52,000 on a 50K, and anything over that, you can take a daily payout. So this one right here, 627.50 is eligible for a daily payout, and then this one down here, if I get it over 52,000, anything over that, I can get a daily payout on as well. And I have been copy trading these. So use code PINE, all caps, 40% off. If you'd like to help support my channel, I appreciate it. 40% off, no activation fees. And then the account we've been trading tonight, and this is my 5th day trading this account. This is trade day. PINE with a capital P if you trade with trade day. So yeah, so I have pretty much all the props, except Tradeify. They won't give me a code, because I'm not part of the cool kids. So, but I do have a link, and if you use my Tradeify link and the default code, then which I don't even know what it is right now. Trade iffy. Default code is July, so if you use my link for Tradeify and the default code July, then I get credit for it, and I am grinding higher towards my affiliates. Being able to I've been grinding him for months to ask him for a code. So the Tokyo Open here. Market's opening hour, it is from 6 p.m. Eastern till the following day, 5 p.m. Eastern. And then from 5 to 6 is an hour break. Have I tried straight to funded accounts, level 2? Yes, that was my first payout with Tradeify was a 25K straight to funded. Oh, you mean London, Asia? New York is from what, 9:30 till 5 basically Eastern time. London is what, 3 a.m. Eastern time, or is it 2 a.m. Eastern time? And then Tokyo Open is from 8 till whatever, 2 a.m. something like that Eastern time. I'm sleeping by then. How's Buellanox? I've gotten 6 payouts for Buellanox last month, NLT. So I was digging Buellanox for a while, and then I ended up blowing my master accounts. But yeah, I took them for 6 payouts, and I do have one more. Yeah, 9:30 to 4 New York's. Yeah, thank you, Design. I do have some master accounts that I can fire up on the Buellanox that I'm going to do this week. So. But yeah, Buellanox currently 91% off on the evaluations. I only recommend 50K accounts. So the option 1, 50K accounts. Anything over 50K, the activation is too high. So they want crazy amount of money to activate accounts. So yeah, we made 2 trades. Currently a little rundown. So take profit trader pro accounts, $210 for them daily payouts. So up 627.50. I'll probably take that tonight, or I mean tomorrow. I might actually try to build upon these. Up 460 on this pro account here. Up $89 on this trade day account. And the trades we took is I basically took a short off this inside bar here. Got stopped out. I was looking for a little bit too much, and then I ended up taking a long off this inside bar here, and this was the trade that really got us ahead. We took the long off that trade, off that inside bar, I mean, and then we were in a long again up in here, and ended up taking it off once we started going sideways, and we lost like $10, $15. And then that's been about it. All right, guys, I'm gonna go make some burgers. Enjoy the rest of the Sunday night. I will be back tomorrow for sure, 6 p.m. Eastern time at Globex. Stay tuned, hit that notification bell. You never know when I might pop on during New York session, but I will definitely be here tomorrow at 6 p.m. Eastern. Smash that like button. Thank you for using code PINE, and I hope you guys have a good night. Peace. See you guys. Good stream. Thanks, guys.